Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 17 and let me show you how to mark messages as read in your mail app. So at first let's open the settings, then go to apps. Actually we are in apps, so from main panel select apps and here go to mail. Here it is. Now scroll down and here you've got mark message as read. You've got three options here. It can be set as default, it can be done immediately or never. Just pick the option that you want to apply. However, if you wish to mark them instantly, just mark default. It's super convenient because you can keep your inbox organized. You can quickly identify which mails you've already seen. So it's truly helpful. So let me do it this way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.